We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the cooling eye mask and sleep mask for girl woman. 2 PCs, cute animal cat cartoon, pink sleeping mask, soft cold, warm compress gifting for dry eyes, puff eye migraine spa office morning refreshment by my novel things. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The cooling eye mask and sleep mask set stands out as a thoughtfully designed, multifunctional accessory for sleep, relaxation, and therapeutic relief. This product is marketed as a 2-piece set, 1 cold or warm gel eye mask and 1 plush pink cat sleeping mask. The unique cat design is visually appealing, making it not only practical, but also a delightful gift for girls, women, and anyone who appreciates cute, functional accessories. The product's packaging and presentation are frequently praised, with users noting that it comes in a great case, making it ready for gifting on occasions such as Christmas, birthdays, or as a thoughtful gesture for friends and family. One of the most significant features highlighted by users is the effective light-blocking capability of the sleeping mask. The mask is engineered to create a darkened environment, which is crucial for those who need to sleep during the day or in brightly lit settings. Users consistently report that the mask blocks out light exceptionally well, enabling restful sleep even when ambient light is present. This makes the mask suitable for shift workers, travelers, or anyone sensitive to light during sleep. The plush, soft materials used in the construction of the mask contribute to its comfort, with many reviewers mentioning the luxurious feel against the skin. The silk lining and plush fabric are particularly noted for their gentle touch, promoting relaxation and enhancing the overall sleep experience. The gel eye mask provides both hot and cold therapy options, adding a therapeutic dimension to the product. For cold therapy, users are instructed to place the gel mask in the freezer for 2 hours, while for hot therapy, the mask can be microwaved for 10 seconds. This flexibility allows the mask to address a range of needs, from soothing puffy or tired eyes to relieving migraines, eye strain, or discomfort following eye surgery. Many users have shared positive experiences using the gel mask for headaches, noting that the cold compress provides immediate relief and comfort. The dual-sided design of the gel mask, crafted from premium materials, ensures a soft, gentle feel against the skin, further enhancing its usability for sensitive eye areas. Adjustability is another key aspect of the product's design. Both the sleeping mask and the gel eye mask feature flexible straps, allowing them to fit all head sizes comfortably. This makes the set suitable for children and adults alike, as reflected in reviews from parents and grandparents who mention that the masks fit both themselves and their children or grandchildren. The straps are designed to hold the masks in place throughout the night without being too tight or leaving indentations on the face, a detail that users appreciate for both comfort and practicality. Durability and quality are recurring themes in user feedback. Many reviewers describe the masks as sturdy and well-made, with stitching and materials that hold up to regular use. The masks are used nightly by many customers, and the consistent reports of long-lasting performance suggest that the product is built to withstand frequent handling. The value for money is also frequently mentioned, with users feeling that the quality and functionality of the set justify the price point, especially considering the inclusion of both a gel mask and a plush sleeping mask. The aesthetic appeal of the masks, particularly the cute cat design, is a significant draw for many buyers. The playful, whimsical appearance makes the masks especially popular among children and young adults. But adults also appreciate the fun design as a way to add a touch of personality to their sleep routine. The masks are often given as gifts, and recipients are described as delighted with both the look and feel of the product. The packaging, which includes a sturdy case, adds to the gift-ready presentation and ensures that the masks remain clean and protected when not in use. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, some users have noted areas for improvement. The most common criticism concerns the gel mask's ability to retain cold. Several reviewers mention that while the gel mask provides effective cold therapy, it does not stay cold for as long as they would like. This limitation may require users to re-chill the mask for extended sessions, or consider alternative methods if longer-lasting cold therapy is needed. However, even with this drawback, users generally agree that the gel mask is effective for short-term relief and provides a soothing experience for headaches, eye strain, and puffiness. Another minor point raised by users is the size of the masks. While the adjustable straps accommodate a wide range of head sizes, Some users with particularly large or small heads may need to adjust the fit to achieve optimal comfort. However, the majority of reviewers report that the masks fit well and stay securely in place throughout the night, indicating that the design is versatile enough for most users. The mask's ease of use is another aspect that receives positive attention. The instructions for heating and cooling the gel mask are straightforward, and the process is quick and convenient. Users appreciate that only the gel bead eye mask is designed for microwave and freezer use, reducing the risk of damaging the plush sleeping mask. The masks are easy to clean and maintain, with the plush mask being suitable for gentle hand washing to preserve its softness and appearance. In terms of performance, the masks deliver on their promises. The sleeping mask effectively blocks out light, allowing users to fall asleep more easily and enjoy uninterrupted rest. The gel mask provides targeted relief for a variety of eye-related issues, including puffiness, dryness, and discomfort from allergies or migraines. Users who have undergone eye surgery or experience frequent eye strain find the masks particularly beneficial for post-procedure care and daily relief. The combination of comfort, functionality, and aesthetic appeal makes the set a versatile addition to any self-care or relaxation routine. The product's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings, with an average score of 4.6 out of 5 based on 83 ratings. The set ranks #36, 401 in health and household, and #129 in sleep masks, indicating a strong presence in its category. The positive word of mouth from satisfied customers, many of whom become repeat buyers or recommend the mask to friends and family, speaks to the product's effectiveness and appeal. Users frequently mention that the masks have become a staple in their nightly routines, with both children and adults relying on them for better sleep and relaxation. The masks are described as soft, comfortable, and effective, with the added benefit of being cute and fun to wear. The ability to share the set with family members or friends adds to its value, making it a practical and thoughtful gift option. In summary, the cooling eye mask and sleep mask set by My Novel Things offers a compelling combination of comfort, functionality, and visual appeal. The masks are well designed, with features that cater to a wide range of needs, from sleep improvement to therapeutic relief for eye-related issues. The materials are soft and gentle, the fit is adjustable and secure, and the overall quality is high. While the gel mask's cold retention could be improved, the set remains highly effective for short-term relief and daily use. The cute cat design and gift-ready packaging make the masks a popular choice for gifting, and the positive feedback from users across the internet underscores their value and performance. If you are looking for a sleep mask and eye therapy solution that combines comfort, efficacy, and a touch of fun, this set is a strong contender. Its versatility makes it suitable for use at home, in the office, during travel, or as part of a spa or beauty routine. The overwhelmingly positive reviews suggest that most users are highly satisfied with their purchase, and the product's popularity continues to grow. Remember, if you have experience with this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed choices. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us bring you more in-depth reviews like this one.